All right, let's go over our pots and utensils that we're going to need today. We're going to be having a frying pan or a saute pan. This is what we're going to be cooking our potatoes in. We're actually going to be using it twice because we're going to fry our potatoes first, and then we're going to remove them, and then we're going to be adding our flour, some vegetable stock, tomatoes, and our spices, mixing that all up. We're going to have a strainer because we're going to be using this guy right here. We're going to get some salted water, and we're going to parboil our shrimp. Now, we're going to be baking them again later, so we don't really want to cook them that long, just until they start to turn pink. We're going to be making some vegetable stock, and that's going to be going with our ingredients here that we're going to make for our tomato sauce for our potatoes. We're going to be mixing our corned bean salad in this, and again, we're not going to be cooking that, we're just going to be making that at room temperature, and that should have a really nice color. It'll be yellow from the corn and black from the beans, red from our red onion, and also from our cherry tomatoes and then our cilantro. This is how we're going to be finishing our shrimp. We're going to be coating this casserole dish with butter and then putting our shrimp in and then spooning our breadcrumb and sherry and butter mixture over the top and baking that. We have a can of corn, so we're going to need a can opener. We're going to have a spoon to move our items around, a knife to cut up our vegetables, a measuring cup, measuring spoons, a cutting board, and we have this right here because we have shrimp and we want to put our shells in here so we don't contaminate any other surface, and we're also going to use a pair of gloves.